Welcome to today's session. Today we are going to discuss about some application based problems from numbers. So we have studied all the concepts of numbers, that is how to group the digits in a number in Indian system and international system, name numbers by using Indian system and international system, place value of the digits in a number, expanded form. So most of the concepts, successor, predecessor, ascending order, descending order. So these all concepts we have discussed earlier. Now we are going to apply those concepts in solving the problems. So in exercise 1.4 word problems we are going to solve here. Question number 3 I have written here. Write the smallest and the largest 9-digit number that can be formed using the digits. Digits are 6, 2, 0, 8, 9, 1, 4, 7 and 3. Total 9 digits are given here. Using these 9 digits you have to form the smallest 9-digit number and also the largest 9-digit number. The concept is there is no other condition given, only they asked you to form the smallest and largest 9-digit number. But the concept is if you want to find out the smallest 9-digit number or largest 9-digit number, if you want to find the smallest 9-digit number, you have to write the digits in ascending order. If you want to find out the largest 9-digit number, you have to write that in descending order. So we can go to how to find out the smallest 9-digit number. So I told you to write the digits in this ascending order. So if you are going to write the digits in ascending order means small to big. So ascending order, if you want to write, you see which is the smallest digit, 0. Suppose if I am writing 0 first and I am writing the remaining digits, there is no value for the 0 if you are putting first the 0 there. So we should not put 0. We should not start a number with 0. So that 0 we can place it in the second position. Okay. From right to left, second position. We should not start a number with 0. If 0 is there in the given digits, we should not start the number with 0. So that 0 you have to place in the second position from left to right. From left to right when you are writing the number, so second position you have to put the 0. So you know that total 9 digits are there. So these digits you have to arrange in order, that's enough. So 0 is the smallest digit, so we should not start with 0 first. So we can go to next which number, smallest number, 1 we can start. So 1. Then I told 0 you have to place in the second place. So I put a 0 there. Now 0 also over, 1 also over. Now if you have to arrange all the digits in ascending order. Next is 2 we can write. Next 3. So I am removing those digits from that, 3 over. Next it is 4, it is there, so we can write 4. Next 7, 9, 8. 6 is there, so we can write 6 next. Next 7, only ascending order we are writing the digits. Next 8 and 9. So go through that, what is the number we got. So that is 10 crore, 23 lakh, 46,000, 23 lakh, 46,789. So we got the smallest 9-digit number using the digit. So here what is the concept you have to remember? You should remember that if 0 is given the digit and while forming the number, you should not put 0 first. You have to place that 0 second. From left to right, second you have to place the 0. If it is asked for smallest number, it is asked for which one? Smallest number. Now we can go to the largest 9-digit number. So the largest 9-digit number, descending order we have to write largest 9-digit number. So largest 9-digit number is, I am going to write that in descending order. This place value periods I will remove from here. Now descending order, which is the highest digit? 9 is the highest digit. Next which one? 8. Next 7. Next 6. Next 4. Next 3. Next 2. Next 1, 0. It's here if we will write 0 last, that's only the correct method. When we are writing, it's in the reverse order means 0 is coming here, but we should not do the reverse order. You have to find it out because 0 is coming. If 0 is coming, then you have to find it out, the digits in the descending order, and the descending order means big to small, you have to find out the digits and then you have to write it in descending order. Then you will get the number which is formed, that is the biggest number formed using the given digits. So 98 crore 76 lakh 43,210 is the largest 9-digit number. So I think that part is clear. So the question number 4, which is in the textbook, is same method question only. So that I will give you homework. Now I will go to the next question. What is the number 2 more than the smallest 9-digit number? So first, 2 more than, already that type of questions also I explained. More than and less than type questions I explained. More than type means more than the word is coming, then you have to add that number. If it is less than means you have to subtract it. So what is the number 2 more than the smallest 9-digit number? So smallest 9-digit number you have to write first. Smallest 9-digit number. Smallest 9-digit number. So here how many zeros will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros will come. Then smallest 9-digit number will come. So here it is coming. 10 crore is the smallest 9-digit number. And 2 more than the smallest 9-digit number. So 2 more than. If 2 more than means what you should do? We should add 2. So you have to add 2 here. So after adding 2, you have to add 2 plus 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. Correct position, you have to write that zeros. So you will get 10 crore and 2 will come. 10 crore is the smallest 9-digit number. And if you add 2 to more than means 2 you have to add to the smallest 9-digit number. So you are getting the required number. So we can write here the required number is equal to required number is equal to 10 crore. 2 is the required number. Next question. Total cash available in a bank is rupees 2 crore 48,720. Write the amount in numerals using the Indian and international system. So here I have written Indian system and international system, and its periods I have mentioned here. And each period we know here 3 places, 2 places, 2 places, and in this case all the periods we are having 3 places. So I separated the periods here. Now just we have to insert the digits whatever it is given in the question. So you will get Indian system and international system. It is asked amount in numerals. So only just you have to write the numerals. Digits you have to place in the correct place. Then you will get the Indian system and international system. So we can do it. We can go through how to write the answer. 2 crore 48,000. So 2 crore means crores place. Here it will come 2 crore. 48,000. So 48,000 in thousands place 48 it is coming. 720. So 720. Last it will go. Now we can see here 2 places are left out. There is no lakhs in the question. 2 crore 48,000. In crores place 2 is there. There is no lakhs places mentioned in the question. But 1000 place you can see 48,000. So 2 places are there. We should fill those 2 digits. That is 48. The number 48 in thousands place we have to fill. Then you have to go through the ones place. 3 digits 720. 720 the 3 digits are there. So we filled all the digits there. Now we have to fill the left out missing places. You have to fill it with 0. So you will get the numeral in Indian system. So how many missing places are there? Those places you have to fill it with 0. So you are getting, this is the best method you have to follow. So you will not make mistake in the number. Now we can go to international system. So international system 2 crore 48,000. So how can we? So here we know ones it is there. Ones, tens, 100. Here it is 1,000, 10,000. 100,000. Next it is million, 10 million and 100 million. So this is the place value. Okay. So we can go through. It is not given in international system. So Indian system it is given. So we have to convert it into international system. We can go through what is the last digit so that we can write here. Here it is what? 2. Here it is what? 7. So just from here we can copy it down because we know that already that comparison I taught you. So by using the comparison only I am doing here. Now thousands place 8, 10,000 place 4, in 100,000 place 0. Next million place 0. Next 10 million place 2. So this is the number. And when you are writing the number, Indian system and international system it is as, so you have to put the commas there. So 2, 0, 0, 4, 8, 7, 2, 0. In this you have to put the commas in this way. Now we have to write 2, 0. Same numeral only you will get, but only the commas position will change. So you have to group it 3 digits. So this is the international system and this one is called Indian system. So numerals, these are the numerals. By using place value chart, we got the numerals. Next question, write the smallest and the largest 7-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 6 2 times, 0 once, 5 twice, 3 and 9 only once. So condition is given here. How many times each digit should come? It is mentioned here. So we can go to, it is as 7-digit number. So if it is 7-digit number, smallest and the largest 7-digit number. So smallest 7-digit number and largest 7-digit number. So for smallest 7-digit number, first we can write the place values, 7 place values. You have to trace ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many places are there? 7 places are there. So 7-digit number means 10 lakhs it is starting. So 7 places I have written here. Now you have to place the digits in each places. So how to place the digits in each places according to the given condition. So what is the given condition? We know that what is the given condition? It is 6 2 times. Smallest, it is written here what? Smallest 7 digit. Smallest 7 digit I told you 0 is the smallest digit. So 0 we cannot write starting. So what we have to do here? You have to do the next smallest digit. So what is the next smallest digit? 3 is the next smallest digit. The digits are 6, 0, 5, 3 and 9. For writing the smallest 7-digit number, 0 is the smallest digit in that, but we cannot put 0 starting. So we have to go to the next smallest digit, that is 3. So we have to put 3 starting here. 10 lakhs plus 3 is coming. How many times 3 we can write? Only once. So I have written only one time 3. Next. So next we can write 0. Next we can write which digit? 0 we can write. So 0 in the lakhs place I have inserted 0 in the last place. Now you should go to which is the next next number, next digit is coming. So smallest 3 and 0 over. Now you should go to that 5 is the next digit. Out of the remaining digits, 5 is the smallest digit. Ascending order only we are writing. So 5 is the smallest digit. So we can write 5. How many times 5 should come? Twice. So you have to write 2 times 5. 5 2 times it is coming. So you have to write 5 2 times. Twice it is written. Twice means 2 times. Next, which are the digits left out? 6 and 9 is left out. Now you have to put 6. Write that 6 here. So 6. How many times 6 should come? 2 times it should come. So we can write 2 times 6. And last digit is 9, only 1. So we are getting the smallest 7-digit number by using the digits, and we were using the conditions whatever it is given in the question. The condition is, when once more I will explain, for writing the smallest 7-digit number you have to start with the smallest digit, but here the smallest digit is 0. It's not possible to start with 0, so you have to go to next smallest digit, that is 3. Start with 3. How many times 3 we can write? Only once we can write 3, so only once you have to write 3. Go to the next digit. So I told already, if 0 is there, second place 0 you have to fill. 0 also how many times? Only one time it is coming. So you have to put here 0. Next you have to go 3 over 0 over. Next smallest is what? 5. Out of the remaining digits, 5 is the smallest. How many times it is given condition? 2 times. So you have to write 2 times 5 here over. Next you have to go to 6 and 9 are the 2 digits left out. So 6 how many times it is there? 2 times it is there. You have to insert 6 and then last is 9 only one time. So we are getting the number 30 lakh. The number is 30 lakh 55,669 is the smallest number using the digits and the given condition. So condition is given, how to find out the number that I explained here. Now we can go to the largest 7-digit number using the given digits and you have to follow the condition. So 10 lakhs, lakhs place 10,000, 1000 place 100 place tens and ones. So how to do that? You should fill the digits with these place values. How to, if it is asked largest 7-digit number, you have to start with the biggest digit. So biggest digit is what? 9. How many times? Only 1. So starting here 9 one time. Next you have to go through the remaining digits. Which is the biggest one? 6 is the biggest. How many times? 2 times. So we have to write 6 2 times. Next 0, 5 and 3 is left. In that biggest 5, 5 how many times? 2 times. So you have to write 5 2 times. Next it is coming 3 only one time. Next 0. So the number is 96 lakh 65,530 is the largest 7-digit number by using the digits and we are satisfying the given condition. Once more I will explain that largest 7-digit number. Descending order you have to write. Biggest digit 9. Condition only one time. Next remaining digits you have to go through. 6 is the biggest. So how many times you should write 6? 2 times you should write. Next we should go through 0, 5, 3. 5 is the biggest. How many times? Twice. 5 2 times. Next 3 only one time and 0 only one time. So we got the largest 7-digit number and also smallest 7-digit number using the given digits and we and that numbers are satisfying the given condition also. Next question, write the smallest odd number that can be formed using the digits 8, 7, 5, 3, 0, 2, 1, 4. These are the digits given. So smallest odd number it is given. It's not the smallest number but here it is condition odd number it is given. So we can go through how to form the smallest odd number. So I am not taking this condition first. Without taking the condition, I am going to write the smallest number using these digits. So it is 0 there. We cannot start with 0. So what is the next digit? 1. We can write 1. Next second place you have to put 0. Then 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 7. Then 8. So these are the digits arranged in ascending order. I am not taking the condition odd, only I am forming the smallest number formed using the digits. So here you see 1, 0 we cannot start first. So 1 I have written. Then second place we should fill with 0. Remaining ascending order I have written 2, 3. So here it is 1 over, 0 over, 2 over, 3 over, 4 over, 5, 7, 8. So I have written the smallest number. Now we should go through the condition. The condition is given odd number. But you can see here 8. Last digit is what? 8. If the last digit is 8, then this is what? Even. We know that if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These digits will come in the ones place. Then we can say those numbers are even numbers. Therefore 8 is coming in the last place or odd ones place. We can say the number formed is even number. But it is asked to form the odd number. So what can we do to form the smallest odd number? So we should not do any changes up to here because we can see here. Here the last 2 places we can do the changes because here it is 7 is an odd number and 8 is an even number. If you interchange the places of 7 and 8, then you will get the smallest odd number. So you should take this 7 here and you have to bring that 8 here. You will get the required number, that is 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, So what we should do here, 8 we should bring here and 7 you have to take that side. So that is the smallest number formed, odd number formed using the given digits. Because if you do any changes in these places, what will happen now? The number will become big. If you are bringing 3 here or 4 here or 5 here, means it is not the smallest number. So only you have to do, here both even numbers are coming, even digits are coming, then you should come to here and check that which is the digit to bring it to the last part. So according to that, you have to change the places of the digits in the last part. You should not make the smallest number first. Afterwards, go through the condition. According to the condition, you have to go through either last 2 digits. If there is a odd digit is coming, that you have to take to the last, and the other one you have to bring it before that. So that method you can follow to find out this answer. Next question, write the successor and predecessor of the greatest 6-digit number. So first you have to write the greatest 6-digit number, and then successor already you studied, adding 1 to the given number you will get the successor. Predecessor, subtracting 1 from the given number you will get the predecessor. So first we can write the greatest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number, how many 9s will come, you know? Total 6 9s will come. So here 6 9s, that is 9,99,999 is the greatest 6-digit number. Here I have written the heading successor. So successor means add 1 to the given number. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10. So we are getting 10 lakh is the successor of the greatest 6-digit number. Now we can go to the predecessor. Here also you have to write the greatest 6-digit number. 6 9s you have to write it. And predecessor means subtracting 1 from that. 9 minus 1, 8. The remaining 9 you have to bring down. So 9,99,998 is the predecessor of the greatest 6-digit number. So only you should understand the concept. Successor is adding 1 to the given number, predecessor is subtracting 1 from the given number. Whether it is a 6-digit number or 7-digit number, greatest whatever it is, according to the condition, you have to add 1 and subtract 1. Now the last question is population of a city is A, B, C. 3 cities are given here. We should arrange those population in ascending order, and one more question is asked there, which city has the largest population. So you have to arrange it in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. That method also already studied. Count the digits first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. In all the 3 numbers you can see 7 digits are there. So now we should go through that. What is the first digit from left to right you have to go through. The first, if it is of equal number of digits, then you have to compare each digit from left to right. Not from right to left, you have to compare from left to right. So the leftmost digit is 5. In all the 3 numbers we can see 5 is the digit. So all are same. Now go to the next one. So here 0, 0, 1. So in that, which is the ascending order means smallest. So 0. So here these 2 numbers we can take. So 0, 0. Both are same. Now we don't go through this number. Now we have to compare these 2 numbers because this is anyway greatest. So you have to go through these 2 numbers. Here 5, 5, 0, 0. Next number you have to go through. 6 and 8. So which is the smallest in this? 6 is the smallest. So which is the smallest number? So this is the smallest number. So city A. Arranging order, arranging ascending order means ascending order while writing. So the answer you have to write ascending order is, this is the first number, this one is the second number, 51 lakh, therefore that is the third number. So it's given in order only. So we can write 50,68,973, first number, that is city A. City B is 50 lakh. 83,214. Next is 51 lakh 29,860. So this is the ascending order. A, B, C. Same it is given in the question as it is only we got because we compare those numbers, then we are getting this is the smallest and next ascending order over. Now which city has the largest population? So the answer is, second answer is city in this largest population, city C. So city C has the largest population. So this is the answer. While writing in the classwork, you have to write it neatly, because here space is less, so that I have written the answer here. So answer is ascending order, first answer. Second answer, which city has the largest population? City C has the largest population, that is the largest number. So all the questions from exercise 1.4 word problems we completed. Write down these all notes in your classwork, and homework also you have to complete it. Today's homework is exercise 1.4, question number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So these all questions you have to write in that classwork, highlight your homework, and I will assign you in the Google Classroom. So when I assign, you have to go to the assignment, click the assignment and attach the homework in that assignment, so that you will get the turned in answer. Otherwise it will be missing in your Google Classroom, it will show missing. Here is one activity for you to check the understanding of number names and ordering of 9-digit numbers. It is instructed everything in the activity. You need a pencil, you have to take an A4 size sheet, a neat paper you have to take. Then you have to write the heading, activity number 1. Heading of the activity is understanding of number names and ordering of 9-digit numbers. Highlight the heading with color pencil, you have to write it. Afterwards you should draw the boxes given in the book, that is country and population. You should take the help of the Google, and then you have to find it out. The country mentioned in that: United States, Japan, Russia, Nigeria and Brazil. You have to find it out the population in the particular year given, 2012. Write the population in numerals, and afterwards you should go through that. Question number 1 is write the population in both Indian and international system of numeration. Write the heading, Indian system and international system. United States, you give the country name. In Indian system, how to write that name, and international system, how to name it. Neatly you have to arrange it. Then arrange the population in ascending order. Second part, you have to arrange it in ascending order, that already we discussed in the lesson. Third part, discuss the disadvantage of high population. So you have to get that what you feel, or you should go through that what are the disadvantages of increase in the population. Note down the points, any 2 or 3 points you have to mention the disadvantages, and neatly you have to file it. I will ask you to assign it in the Google Classroom. Then you have to send it or attach that activity in the Google Classroom. According to that, we will provide you the internal marks. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.